Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to show you a couple points what I have on my bike, how to improve this, especially a little bit rattling noise from the battery cover. As you can hear, it's almost nothing, and I can't kind of open that cover. Why? Because to open it I have to press it, and after that I can turn it. So how it's working? Honestly, I didn't do anything extra. It's just this strap. I just pull this strap maximum kind of to this side, and in that case, because when it's on this position, it can close easily, you see, and it's rattling a lot, and it's very easy to open it also. But when I pull it like this, in that case I cannot really close it. I have to press it, because this strap going between this rubber and battery, and like this, locked. So now I cannot even turn my key, but also it holds this cover, and it's not rattling when I'm driving. That's first point. Second point, no one around. Second point, what I want to show you, it's this nice, not actually fender, because as you can see it's not really working. I don't know how long the fender should be to prevent this all this dirt. I don't know, maybe a couple inches, like at least 2 inches more, but I'm gonna put like fender here from the Suron. I'm just waiting for it, and I'm gonna show you. No one really like how it looks like, but at least it's working. For me, more important if it's working, not how it looks. But anyway, I want to show you this upgrade. The upgrade, that's kind of stop light, but I'm not using it stop light. I'm using it only like security, so alarm system and turning system. So how it's working? I have a little piece like this. I can remove it, take it with me, and first of all, it's working like beeper also, so you can hear it. Second of all, it's working as turning signal, and as you can see, it's working perfect. Other way. Okay, so how I attach it, I gonna put pictures. You will see the pictures. I just did L-shaped bracket and attached this piece, and also I put some strap just on the middle. It's not really cover light, but at least it's safe in case the light gonna be broken, or bracket gonna be broken, and I'm not gonna lose my light. So you will see it on the pictures. What next? Next it's security. So when I put like this, I press security button. In couple seconds, this beep, it means the bike on security. If someone gonna touch it, and this actually piece have 6 or 7 levels for sensitivity for security. If someone gonna touch bicycle, doesn't matter, kick it or like trying to pull it, you see, it's gonna be, at least it's gonna tell to people around something going on, or to you if you somewhere around. It's not really loud, but it's loud enough to make people look on your bike. Okay, and my last but not least, what I wanna show you guys today is front light. The front light, it's exactly light how you guys was seeing, and maybe most of you have already, from, I can't remember even the name, what you guys taking this from, grid shift or something like this it calls. But I'm just want to say talk about price. So this light together with switch, and it's plug and play, comes 30 bucks, including delivery from China. I believe only button or only light cost price like this if you're gonna buy it from some big shop like Grid Shift or something like this. But that light, I mean this button and light, plug and play system, everything together comes 30 bucks. 30 US dollars or 40 Canadians. So happy about this. Very easy to install, very easy to change. That's pretty much it. Oh, handlebar guards. Very, very, very useful when it's cold weather, especially like now. Now around, I don't know, +3 probably. Cover your hands from the wind. Very helpful. These pieces come separate, so you have to drill one hole here to attach, and another one you put just here, and there's have pre-made hole. So in the summertime you can remove it, but it's all kit cost $23 or $22, like 2 handles and this piece. Handles, these covers, and of course these mounting brackets. I just put my electrical tape around just because that's metal, kind of sharp, so I just don't want to damage my lines. Just like this. That's how my bike looks like. Here tires I have Shinka 244, I believe, if I'm not wrong. 2.75. The rear one looks good for me, but front one looks kind of bulky, and honestly it's heavy. But again, I'm not that crazy rider. I'm not really care about weight, so I'm not jumping. I'm mostly just riding around on different surface, and just like this. And rear sprocket now is 54. A lot, like huge difference between 44 stock and 54 now. And the link chain was 112, I believe, if I'm not wrong. 112 rings for 140 chain type. That's it. So yeah, for future what I'm planning to do is just put rear fender here, like mud guard or mud catcher or whatever it calls. Probably different grips, but I'm not sure yet, because most time I use pedals by Canadian law. And for now probably that's all what I'm planning to do upgrades. Maybe something else in the future, but I don't know yet. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.